Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 5 English textbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publisher official website. We will start our lesson from unit number 2, the greatest reformer. SLOs of this lesson are demonstrate the use of collective nouns. I hope you are familiar with the collective nouns and you have learned this in your previous class too. So we will discuss and learn some collective nouns in this lesson. Look at the page number 19 of your textbook. We have a grammar section here of collective nouns. What are the collective nouns? Collective nouns are words for group of people, animals and things. When a specific group of people gathered together, we have a specific name for it, and it is called collective noun. Because let's take an example. Student is a noun. When group of a student form together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 students here. So this group of students will be called the group of nouns. First there was only one student, so other students joined together and it has a group and it has a specific name. The group of a student has a specific name and it is called collective noun and it is called class. Yes, we will call a group of student a class, a collective noun. It's a collective noun and it has a name, class. Likewise, animals, birds and things form together, comes together. We have a specific noun, we call it a collective nouns, and all of these group have different names, different collective nouns. Like siblings, parents comes together in a form of group, it calls a family. When players come together, it calls a team. The group of dancers or actors, it calls a crew. The orchestra, when the group of people who play different instrument, music instrument, it is called orchestra. The audience, if lots of people comes together and watch a drama or any movie, etc. at cinema, it is called audience, or any show, and a group of people will call a group. A choir means when a group of people comes together and sing the song together, it calls a choir. And the class, yes, we have discussed this, group of students. Many collective nouns can be used with the singular or plural verb. Like, my family was happy to see me. I hope you are familiar with the use of plural and singular. We use was for singular noun and here my family were happy to see me, and were for plural noun. It can be used like both, in singular and plural both, was and were. We use were for plural noun, but here we can use both of this, was and were, for family. But the following collective nouns always take a plural verb. We cannot use it, but the following collective nouns always take a plural verb. We cannot use was or is with it. Was for the past tense and is for the present situation. We will use were or are for it to show it as a plural. For example, the cattle are or were. For the plural we use are or were. Are for the present situation and were for the past. The people were, we cannot use the people is or are, it's wrong. The police were or are. The people were or are. But here it can go both. Was and were can go both with the family. Now look at here. Here are more collective nouns that are used for group of people, animals or things. A group of chickens called a brood of chicken. A band of musicians. A shoal of fish. A team of players. A flight of stairs. A bunch of keys. A class of pupils. A collection of books. A deck of cards. A fleet of ships. A flock of sheep. A gaggle of geese. A herd of cattle, a litter of cubs, a pod of whales, a pack of wolves. So many collective nouns are there to learn. Now look at here, choose the correct option here. You have to choose one correct option for each collective noun here to show what type of noun it is, to which group it belongs. A group of ant will be called a flock, a pride, school or army. Yes, a group of ants march like an army. If you see, they always walk in a line and like an army and march. So it will be called an army of ants. Look at the second one. Group of students. What will be the group of students? Troop, flock, class or corps. Yes, we have discussed this. This is class. A group of soldiers will be called company. Yes. A group of bananas will be called, yes, a bunch of banana. Look at the fifth one. A group of geese. Like geese is a bird. It can go for both here. For flock and the gaggle. It can be both flock and gaggle here. Now look at the pictures we have here. Yes. The gaggle of geese, a bunch of grapes, an army of an ant here. We have an ant here, an army of ants here, a flock of sheep, a pride of lions. Yes, the group of lions called a pride here, a school of fish, a paddling of ducks. We have ducks here, group of ducks here. It will be called paddling. Its collective noun name is paddling. This is your home task from your summer pack. I hope, dear students, you can do it very easily. We have discussed and learned the concept of collective nouns. This is also your home task from summer pack, page number 11 here. Home task from summer packs. What you need to do, write a few lines about the benefits of the tree. आपने क्या लिखना है? दरख्त के फवायद लिखने हैं. दरख्त से हमें क्या क्या फवायद हासिल हो सकते हैं, आपने वो लिखना है. I hope, dear student, you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.